guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix iPhone not charging wirelessly after iOS 18.2 update. Without wasting any time, let's start this video. Here are some steps to troubleshoot iPhone not charging wirelessly after iOS 18.2. Switch number 1 is start your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve the issue. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds and starting your iPhone and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is check wireless charger. Ensure your wireless charger is compatible with your iPhone model and is properly connected to a power source and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is clean charging coil. Dirt, dust or moisture on the charging coil can prevent wireless charging. Clean the charging coil with a soft cloth and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is check for physical obstructions. Ensure there are no physical obstructions between your iPhone and the wireless charger and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is reset iPhone settings. Go to setting app, tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset setting, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode. You can see reset all settings. This will delete all settings. No data and media will be deleted. Tap on reset all settings to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying this solution number 6. Solution number 6 is update iOS version. Go to setting app, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending, download and install the update and problem is fixed. If solution number 6 is not working, now applying the solution number 7. Solution number 7 is check for conflicting cases or accessories. Check if any cases or accessories are interfering with wireless charging. Try removing any cases and then try wireless charging again and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact support@apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix iPhone not charging wirelessly after iOS 18.2 update is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.